Welcome back. In today's video, we're going to look at the best electric drills in 2026 that you can buy right now. Whether you're a DIY user or a professional, these drills offer powerful performance, long battery life, and smooth drilling for every job. Let's get into it. Starting at number 1. DEWALT Tools, DCK551D1M1. The DEWALT Cordless Drill Combo Kit includes a DCD771 drill driver, which is compact and lightweight, making it ideal for fitting into tight spaces. This drill features a high-performance motor that delivers 300 unit watts out, UWO, of power, suitable for a variety of applications. Additionally, the kit contains a DCF885 cordless impact driver, designed with a compact structure of 5.55 inches in length to navigate confined areas easily. The DCS381 cordless reciprocating saw is equipped with a keyless blade clamp, allowing for quick and safe blade changes without direct contact with the blade or reciprocating shaft. Lastly, the DCS393 cordless circular saw comes with a 6 to 1/2 inch carbide blade capable of cutting through 2x4s at a 45-degree angle in a single pass. The kit operates on a 20-volt lithium-ion battery system, includes 2 batteries, and has a total weight of 25 pounds. Number 2. DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Drill. The DEWALT brand offers a battery-powered tool that features a compact and lightweight design, making it ideal for use in tight spaces. It is equipped with a high-performance motor that delivers an impressive 300 unit watts out, UWO, enabling it to handle a wide variety of applications efficiently. The tool boasts a high-speed transmission with 2 speed settings, 0 to 450 and 1500 revolutions per minute, which enhances its versatility for various fastening and drilling tasks. Additionally, it includes a half, single-sleeve ratcheting chuck that ensures a tight grip on bits, while the ergonomic handle provides comfort and control during use. This tool is suitable for home repairs, DIY projects, light construction, and drilling into wood, plastic, and light metal, although it is not recommended for drilling into concrete or masonry or for heavy-duty industrial applications. Number 3. Flex 24V Brushless. The Flex 24V Brushless Cordless 2-Tool Compact Combo Kit includes a 1/2 inch 2-speed drill driver and a 1/4 inch hex impact driver, along with 2 2.5R lithium batteries and a 160W fast charger. Priced at $139, reduced from a typical price of $199, this kit is highly rated with a score of 4.8 based on 70 reviews and is labeled as Amazon's choice, indicating its popularity and value. Customers can opt for a payment plan of $34.75 every 2 weeks for 4 installments, with no interest or fees applicable. The product comes with a limited lifetime warranty if registered within 30 days of purchase, and it offers free returns, making it convenient for buyers. The kit operates on 24 volts and includes 2 lithium-ion batteries, providing a torque of 650 N-pounds, making it suitable for various DIY projects. Number 4. DEWALT Drill. The DEWALT corded electric drill is powered by an 8-amp motor, delivering high performance for heavy-duty applications with a maximum rotational speed of 2,500 revolutions per minute. It operates on 120 volts and features a 3/8 inch all-metal, ratcheting, keyless chuck that ensures greater bit retention. The drill is equipped with a variable speed reversible VSR trigger, allowing for versatility in both drilling and fastening tasks. Its mid-handle grip design, complemented by a soft grip, enhances balance and comfort during use. Additionally, the all-ball bearing construction contributes to its durability and extends the tool's lifespan, making it a reliable choice for various projects. Number 5. DEWALT 20V Max XR Cordless Hammer Drill. The DEWALT Cordless Hammer Drill is powered by a high-efficiency brushless motor that delivers impressive performance, offering up to 75% more runtime compared to traditional 18V NiCad brushed motors. It operates on a 20-volt battery and has a maximum rotational speed of 2,000 revolutions per minute, making it a powerful tool for various tasks. The drill features a heavy-duty 1/2 inch ratcheting nitrocarburized metal chuck with carbide inserts, ensuring superior bit gripping strength for enhanced durability. Additionally, it includes a 3-mode LED light that illuminates dark or confined spaces, providing up to 20 times brighter lighting than previous models. The LED spotlight mode also has a convenient 20-minute shut-off function, allowing for extended work time in low light conditions. That's it for today's video. All product links are in the description below. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech and tool reviews like this. Thanks for watching.